So, for another review, we're going to compare the Shark Rocket Coated Stick Vacuum Cleaner with the Bissell powergroom pet bagless upright. We can use ceramic surface and then hidden dirt, which has been deep down dirt into a car. So let's see how the Bissell gets on. So we can use this full setting, which is what the rag is. Powering up. Alright, after a 4 pass, it picks up the carpet just a little bit. Alright, so now, with the Shark Rocket Coated Stick Vacuum Cleaner, let's see how it does. Picks up the 4 pass. Alright. 2, 3, and that's 4. Okay, now let's see how much dirt pulls out of this rug. So Bissell could go first. Ooh, check it out. It picks up dirt just a little bit. Alright, now for the Shark Rocket. So it comes with a dirt removable. And watch it comes out. Whoa! Was that amazing? So this is what we have from the Bissell powergroom pets. It picks up a hair and dirt just a little bit. And with the Shark Rocket, picks up pretty cool, because Shark has more suction power than traditional vacuum cleaners. Look at this. This is amazing. Once again, Shark wins.